Hi, this is Carol from Owl's Nest Quilters. I have been trolling on Facebook for quite some time now, and I've noticed that a lot of people are really having trouble with their ScanNCuts. Which really, I take that to heart because I absolutely love this machine. And when I see and hear people saying that they're having so many frustrating experiences with them, that they want to get rid of them, that's not the answer. So what I thought that I would do would be to start doing some videos for you and hopefully turn you into converts of the ScanNCut like I am, because these machines are awesome. So we're going to start off slowly and with the basics and then build up to more and more advanced things. So hopefully you'll come along on this journey with us and learn to love your ScanNCut.
Owl's Nest Quilters, because you love to create. Yeah.